Hi everyone, this is Rajeshwar from ECEC section. My topic is Fourier transformations. What is Fourier transform? Fourier transform, named after Joseph Fourier, is a mathematical transformation employed to transform signals between time or spatial domain and frequency domain. It is a tool to that breaks a waveform into an alternate representation characterized by sine and cosines. It shows that any waveform can be rewritten as the weighted sum of sinusoidal functions. Let's see some waves. A discrete function of m points. B, its Fourier spectrum. And C, a discrete function with twice the number of non-zero points. Again, it's D, its Fourier spectrum. Given an image A and its Fourier transform A, then the forward transformation goes from the spatial domain to the frequency domain, which is always continuous. Forward, A is equal to f of A. The Fourier transform of f of u of a signal variable continuous function f of x. F of u is equal to integration with limits minus infinity to infinity f of x into e power minus j into 2 pi into ux of dx. The Fourier transform of f of u comma v of a double variable continuous function f of x comma y is equal to f of u comma v is equal to double integration from limits minus infinity to infinity f of x comma y into e power minus j into 2 pi of ux plus vy of dx into dy. The Fourier transform of a discrete function of one variable f of x comma x is equal to where x is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 so on m minus m. F of u is equal to 1 by m into sum of from limits x is equal to 0 to m minus 1 f of x into e power minus 2 j by ux by m. U is equal to 0 comma 1 comma 2 and so on to m minus 1. The concept of frequency domain follows Euler's formula. E power j naught is equal j theta is equal to cos theta plus j sin theta. Fourier transform in one dimension. F of u is equal to 1 by m of sum of the whole in from limits x is equal to 0 to m minus 1 f of x into cos 2 pi ux by m minus j into sin 2 pi ux by m. Each term of the Fourier transform is composed of sum of all values of function f of x. The values of f of x are multiplied by sine and cosines of various frequencies. Each of m term of f of u is called the frequency component of the transform. The domain of over which the values of f of u range is approximately called the frequency domain. Linearity. Scaling a function scales its transform pair. Adding two functions corresponds to adding the two frequency spectrum. If h of x implies h of f, then a of h of x implies a of h of f. If h of x implies h of f, g of x implies g of f, then h of x plus g of x implies h of f plus g of f. Scaling property. If f of t implies f of w, then f of t implies 1 by module of a f of w by a. Time differentiation. If f of t implies f of omega, then df by dt implies j omega f of omega. Convolution property. If f1 of t implies f1 of omega and f2 of t implies f2 of omega, then f1 of t into f2 of t implies f1 of omega into f2 of omega, where star is convolution and f of 1 of t, f2 of t plus 1 by 2 pi f of omega into f2 of omega. Time differentiation. If f of t implies f of omega, then df by dt implies jw f omega, convolution property. If f1 of t implies f1 of omega and f2 of t implies f2 of omega, then f of t into f2 of t implies f2 of 1 omega into f2 of omega, where star is convolution and f2 of t, f1 of t into f2 of t implies 1 by 2 pi of f of 1 omega star f2 of omega. Thank you.